So query number 103 from Dubai, UAE. How to make my money for me? How to make my money work for me? I guess you want to ask. How to make sure I spend mindfully on personal professional activities. How to if how can I tell how you spend mindfully? The only thing is you need to, you can say, be very conscious and cautious of the way you're spending. You can say just go through your budgeting statement of the previous months. If you are making proper records, doing proper record keeping, just go through your previous statements and then assess and analyze what exactly are you covering in that, what exactly were the expenses you could have managed without spend without you can say without burning something substantial. Maybe you could have managed that. If you have still not been able to manage that, then you need to take a bar over that. How to make your money work for you? The primary thing is you need to have a passive income flowing in, and compounding is your passive income. Compounding is your source of income, but compounding needs at least 10 to 15 to 20 years to act. Minimum 10 years to start acting, 15 years to get into motion, and 20 years to fly right like a rocket. After 20 तो हर साल आपका डबल 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 वाला काम होता जाता है. But yes, for those 20 years need to have put in a decently substantial amount, and then the money will start working for you. And that is why I say start early. The starting early is the big key, is a big key to having an early retirement. The unfortunate thing is many colleagues don't know. Those who know it and understand my points and my terminology, and their one common complaint with me is, I wish you had met me 20 years earlier. So many 40, late 40 guys or early 50 guys have said this statement to me. I wish you had met me 20 years earlier. So I take that as a big compliment, that because 30 साल 25 साल 40 साल से कम वालों को मेरी बातें समझ नहीं आती. When I say pay more tax, कहते हैं पागल है, बेवकूफ है, सरकार को देने को बोलता है, इसको अकल तो है नहीं है. It's like that. Because my opinions may or may not be respected by many of you. I don't mind that. But what I am saying is, जिसको समझ आ जाती है बात, those guys get into order and they start taking action, and then they realize probably 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, that whatever I was saying, it did make a difference. So I hope you understand compounding is going to be a passive income, and budgeting is going to be the way you can spend mindfully on personal and professional activities. Having said that, I'll just say I always advise to be frugal, but I don't advise to be literally conjuice. I believe that recreation has its own place in life. It's not that you need to curb your wants totally. And sometimes recreation is not meant to be, you can say, you earn the money and you enjoy the money with the family as well. So I hope that gives you a good clue about what I'm trying to say.